everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! So guys, I'm on my way to the tennis court and I'm going to play some tennis and do some sports there. Yes. And yeah, I'm looking forward to that. The weather's so-so. It's a bit gray outside. And yeah, I would say today is of my losing weight journey. It's number 44, I think. 44. I'm losing track, guys. But however, I'll get it together. Anyway, so I'm going to go onto the court. And yeah, stick around. Don't go nowhere. And yeah, tennis is always a fun sport to play. And good sport to play if you want to lose some weight, because you literally run around, you're working out every part of your body. So yeah. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Yes, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more from me, subscribe. That would be great. Subscribe. Other than that, I will see you guys on the tennis court.